Alright folks, we're back in action, back at it again for YouTube. Maybe Patreon one day. Why not? Quick thing, we were thinking about putting Amazon affiliate links up for some of the products that we love the most. Let us know if you benefit from that in the comments below. But either way, we're going to probably do it just because we want to share with people the things that we believe in the most. And hey, if we get a little kickback from corporate America, from funneling you guys to products that we believe in that are really good, I don't know, I figure why not. But I'm here with Mr. Jack. We took like a 5-minute break there from recording. I took a little potty break, and actually you guys can see 3 minutes of the break because I recorded a little video while I was doing it, and kind of explained some things that I've been thinking about lately about dogs and dog training and stuff like that. So that'll be posted way before this video gets posted, just because of the way that the editing works. It's a lot easier for me to take a video directly with my phone of my face and post that. So that would have been posted long ago, but you may have seen it already. But yeah, so we were during the interim. I'm still just out here with Jack, and just walking. I've been wanting to walk further down this trail anyway, so while we still have daylight, we're doing it, and letting him experience as much of the world as possible while doing so, and hopefully building as much trust as possible with him. Getting him to a point where we can really work together and he can be a happy-go-lucky little pup. Another thing that I've been thinking about lately is I really would love to do a podcast. Just a simple one. Nothing too complicated, not too many complicated, not too much complicated editing, but I feel like I have a lot to say, and I also feel like I want to keep people up to date with the cases we're working with how we train and why we train the way that we do, with what we do to try to take care of the dogs, and what kind of thought and research goes into that, and hopefully we can learn things from it too by, interviewing people we admire, and interviewing trainers and scientists and people that we're interested in their research, and do as much as we can to network and learn, and to bring that learning and networking to you guys so that you guys can benefit from it too. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's something that I'm really thinking deeply about, and I think I'm going to be making a call shortly to some of the people that work with us, to our editing staff, and see if we can make that happen, see what we can do with that, and try to get that worked out as soon as we can, relatively quickly, so that we can bring you guys real useful content that you'll benefit from. But update on Jack. I think he's starting to like it a little bit more. He's starting to like being out here. You can see he's interacting with the environment a lot more. He's sniffing things, he's doing things, he's not paying as much attention to me. He still isn't going out ahead of me, but at least he's checking stuff out back there. That's all I want from this. I just want him to get comfortable. But yeah, podcast. And if you guys think of anybody, let me know who I should have on. Let me know. Who should I put on here? What kind of guest do you think I should have? You know what? Why not record a double video? I've never done that before. I've never recorded a video while I was on video. But I guess there's nothing wrong with it. I can. One will get posted way before the other, but let me give it a shot. All right. Hey guys, so I'm out here walking with Senor Jack. I had a question for you guys. We want to start a podcast for Angier K9, a real one. And we want to know a couple of things. One, what guests should we bring on? Who should we bring on as guests? What kind of format do you think would work the best? What level of editing should we, put into this? Does it matter if it's incredibly high quality video footage and editing with a beautiful background, or should we just do something, even if it isn't perfect? And then the question that's in my mind is, how often should we do it? I was thinking once a week, whether it's a guest that we have once a week, or some of those times might just be us talking about current cases that we're working with, whether it's at the rescue or a board and train that we have or a private lesson that we're working with, and just share our thoughts and be open and honest and transparent about what we're doing. And we can have different themes like animal welfare and different training topics. We can cover all kinds of things, give our opinions, learn new things ourselves. I really want to soak up as much knowledge as I can, see what can I learn from inviting on guests and from getting feedback from our audience, and what can we learn? I want to learn as much as I can. So I think that that's a good medium to do so, and it's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Christian and I have both wanted to do this for a long time. So I'm going to talk to my editing team and see if we can get started on it relatively soon, and what we're going to need to do to make it happen. Start reaching out to guests for the podcast and bring that value to all of you. So yeah, let us know what guests, what topics are you interested in, and one last thing is, what should we name it? I thought Angier K9 podcast. Yeah, I don't know, maybe, but I don't know. You tell us if you think of any good names for it, or if you think we should just go with Angier K9 dog training podcast or something like that, or if we should go for something more unique. I have lots of ideas and spent a lot of time reading philosophy and science textbooks and studying other languages, and I can make it more unique and make it something that's more representative of me personally, and maybe me and Christian and the company ethos more generally, instead of just branding it with the same name, even though that would be better for marketing purposes. I don't know if I care. I just want to do the podcast to learn, and bring that value to you guys. So let us know. Come on, buddy. You're a good boy, man. Let me check on my my battery level here. I've been walking for a while. See what I got. 49%. That's not too bad. We can work with that. I've got an extra battery in my pocket. How you doing, Jack? Just want to see him taking an interest in things. Hey, bud. Hey, Jack. I won't hurt you. Hopefully he ate a couple of them. I don't know. Not the bacteria will. Yeah, the bugs will get it. He's still very mistrusting, or very distrusting. Poor buddy. Wish I could help him out. More quickly. Sure, we're going to be able to help him, but just wish I could get him feeling better faster. But trying to shove it on him or push it on him, I don't think that's going to be productive here. If you guys have a different take, please let me know. If you guys think there is something that will help in the situation, that will get him there faster, that will help him to learn more quickly and trust more quickly, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Doing things together, going on long walks, trying to get him to participate in play. I know all of those things are helpful, so that's what I'm doing, but let me know if you guys think of anything else. Of course, exercise, which this is relatively decent exercise. It's more of like a duration thing here, but I know it's good for him. I know it's good for me. The more that I hike, the better that I feel. Yeah, take your dogs on hikes, man. Go for hikes with the doggies. Go for hikes with the doggies. They love it. And it's good for them and it's good for you. It's good for your heart. It's good for your mind. It's good all the way around. When in doubt, as my good friend Ryan Woodcock likes to tell me, go for walkies. Go for walkies. Walkies solve a lot of problems. I'm going to move a little faster. See if he moves faster with me. Let's pick up the pace a little bit here. Get him to work up a little bit more of a work up a little bit more speed. Very often working up a little bit more speed, changing the pace, getting him moving can loosen him up. So I'm going to keep up a faster walking pace, maybe closer to like 4 miles an hour instead of 2. So I'm just going to keep it moving here for the rest of this walk. Fortunately, I walk and hike enough that shouldn't be a tall order for me. I'm sure I can keep the pace up, keep him moving at a relatively good clip. For quite a while, so let me see if I can get his heart pumping a little bit. Exercise is a big anxiety reducer for dogs. just like it is for people. And so we have a fork in the path. So I have no idea where these go. And today's not the day that I'm going to find out, so I don't want to push him too hard. So I'm just going to keep a much quicker pace and go all the way back. See if I can get him loosened up this way. What I'd like to see is him run by me. So I won't know until I review this footage how that strategy works unless he actually runs by me. But I can't really see how he's doing with it. Well, he is stopping to sniff stuff more, and I'm quite sure he was just running. Because if he stops to sniff something and gets behind me and he wants to catch up with me, he's got to run. So I'm just going to keep a much faster walking pace because I think that that's going to do him a lot of good. See, he's stopping again, and now he's got to run again. Keep up a little bit more speed here, make him run a little harder. I think it's working. You're really gonna have to run to catch up with me now. I think he's enjoying this. That's what I want to see. So I'm gonna speed walk as hard as I can the rest of the way back. Look at that. It's good stuff. Exercise is going to be the way through with this little guy. I can see it. Speed walking and maybe even a little bit of running. It's going to make all the difference in the world for this guy. Because with my leg length difference, me speed walking is a trot for him. He's got to keep it going pretty hard to keep up with me if I speed walk. I think he's really enjoying this a lot more than the earlier pace that we were keeping. Oh, look at that. He went around. Good boy. I freaked him out. But he came right back to it, which is a learning experience, right? Prediction error. He predicted danger and no danger was forthcoming. We're both going to need a lot of water when we get back. I have to make sure that he has some water. Look at that. He's thinking about he's trotting a little ahead of me. Pick up the pace a little bit. See if I can go faster. Yeah, look at that. It's a lot better. curious to see what would happen if I actually did jog a little bit. But I get shin splints, so I'm not going to jog super long. Running's never been my strong suit. I just ate a fly or something, some kind of bug. It was nasty. I'm gonna go back to the walking pace, to the speed walk. Really trying to tire him out here. Make sure my camera doesn't hit. Jack's a good boy. In a second here, we're going to cool off. Not for me, I can keep going, but for him. Once we get to the road, where we're going to cross over to the other side of the trail, we'll have a little cool off, and I'll see if he wants to like check stuff out. He is touching my leg, which is good to see. Now I'm going to slow the pace down. Okay, he slowed down too. Finally enough. I was hoping he wouldn't. I was hoping he'd blow by me. Alright, so I'm going to keep that pace up. It's definitely good for me, and I think it's probably good for him too. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job, Jack. Smart boy. Hit my camera on that tree. But my hope is that this is very cathartic for him. So I hope him loosen up and open up. walking out into a clearing. And now we chill. Covered a nice bit of ground. Now I'm just not going to pay attention to him, and we'll see if he sniffs me. Sorry, Jack, I know that freaks you out. You ready, Jack? Let's go, bud. There it is. Oh, that's an ant. Itchy, itchy. That freaked him out a little bit, but he did better than he has in the past, so he'll get there. Good boy, Jack. Smart boy. See what my battery's doing. It's getting low, but the heat's all right. We'll see if I think we're going to get back before it runs out of battery. Yeah, again, anything you guys think that I should be doing with Jack, open to your feedback. Let us know. We'll try things out. But I think what we're doing is useful, and that we're going to make steady progress with him. Got to keep at it. He loves to play with toys, just not when people are around. He'll play with the toys out in his play yard. Play with them a whole bunch. It's not when you're there. He won't play with you. We're going to unlock play with him, and it's going to be lit. It's going to be super lit. Can't wait for that. Just need to unlock a little bit of interest with him. These kinds of cases are tough. Like to use some of the other dogs to loosen them up a little bit. My foot got caught there. It's powered through it, apparently. I'm glad it didn't catch me any harder. Probably would have hurt a little bit. Been out here like Bo Jackson. Ripped the hip out of my socket. I want to rip my hip out of socket. That'd be crazy. So he did it. Just got caught and drove through it, and popped it right out, and ended his career. Random football knowledge. American football, that is. Jack's a good boy. spend some more time with him in a home type environment. See how he does there. Get him warmed up as best I can without forcing it. We'll see how far he can go. You hear the frogs, buddy? You hear those frogs? All right. Hey, Jack. You want to go back to your spot? We can chill together? Yeah? We'll get you comfy out here eventually. Good boy. Jack. Good. No? All right. Let's go, buddy. Good boy. Ooh, I'm gonna eat. Gotta eat something. I'm gonna pass out. You okay? Is the Brit scary? You can do it. You did it. Good job, bud. You did it, buddy. Good job. You did really good, little buddy. Yeah, go sniffies. No, sniff. You're good, bud. Good boy. You're doing good. Come on. Let's go. It's okay. You're all good, buddy. Prediction error. here, Jack. Come on. Yep, sniff me. Come on. Jack, come here, bud. Come on. Let's go. Hey, man. All right. All right, man. Hey, Jack. It's okay. It's okay. I know. You're very scared. It's okay. It's all right, buddy. It's a good boy. You're going to be all right. You're going to be okay. All right? Now I'm going to have to pick you up, and it's going to be scary. Okay? I'm not going to hurt you. It's okay. He's so scared. It's okay. I'm sorry, buddy. Gotta go in. I know you're scared. It's okay, bud. It's all right. You're a good boy. It's okay. I know it's scary every time. I'm sorry, bud. I wouldn't do it if I didn't have to. Good job, man. All right, that's Jack day 3.